Hey everyone, take a look at this beautiful black 2022 Ford F-150 Lariat Highline 502A. This one has been modified up. It also features the ever so powerful Powerboost hybrid engine. Let's check it out together. So, under the hood, I mentioned the Powerboost. That is a 3.5 liter twin turbo engine mated to a special 10-speed automatic transmission, and it also has a 32 kilowatt electric motor that puts out a ton of torque, a ton of horsepower, and if you want it to be, it can be a little better on fuel. So I love the power on the Powerboost. Up front, you see these gorgeous quad beam LED headlights, which are fully automatic. Set it and forget it, even auto high beam. The headlights can actually level the load up or down and bend the light around corners. LED fog lights to go with those. Front park sensors off the front bumper. Those will beep at you if you get too close to something. Nice front tow hooks there for recovery. And then you do have an all-around camera upgrade on this one. So there's a camera in the front grille, under both mirrors, and in the back. Vehicle also has a forward collision system with pedestrian detection. So if somebody walks out in front of you, you don't have time to stop. It will put on the brakes for you. Saves lives and saves some money on insurance. This does have a beautiful level kit, allowing us to be able to put on these gorgeous black Rhino rims and a bigger all-terrain KO2 BF Goodrich tire. Great looking tire. It also has kickback mud flaps to control all the rocks and save your paint. You see the F-150 Lariat badging on the side and that Powerboost badging. These mirrors are upgraded as well, and that's thanks to the max trailer tow package this has. Now, these mirrors do have power extending ability. They are also power folding dual convex heated memory mirror with a blind spot system in them, so that lights up when someone gets in your blind spot. To get in or out of this vehicle, you can just put your code inside of here and it'll unlock using the code, or you can put your hand in the door handle and it'll unlock using the heat from your hands. Press this button right here and it'll lock itself up, or you can use this key fob with unlock, lock, remote start, power tailgate, and alarm, or download the Ford Pass app and do that for free from your smartphone anywhere in the world. Tinted windows look great. They also have the window vent visors up top there. See nice black running boards down on the bottom for getting in and out of this beautiful baby. And if we open up the back, this does have the sport package on it as well, giving you this gorgeous sport interior. You see the lovely two-tone on here. It does have a Bang & Olufsen stereo system in it. And when we take a look at this, you've got the nice chocolate piping on your seats. Because this is a 502A, these leather seats are heated in the back. Super comfortable. You can see those heat controls right there. The 12-volt power supply, USB, and inverted power supply there also. This also has the upgraded twin-panel panoramic sunroof with power shade, letting in all kinds of natural light. This one does have the extended 6.5 foot box, 157 inch wheelbase, making it ride beautifully. FX4 gives you skid plates underneath, upgraded suspension, as well as hill descent control. When we come off the back, you've got that color matched bumper, which has sensors in it, nice and easy for parking. And you see your backup camera to go with the all-around camera system. You do have that trailer tow hitch. Again, this has max trailer tow, so this has the maximum tow capacity for this setup. And we do have that power tailgate, so I can just hit that from my key and it'll power down for us, which is awesome. This has an upgraded spray liner inside. In the box, you've got cargo lights as well as tie downs, and this has the upgraded 7.2 kilowatt generator. That means you have a 240 outlet as well as 4 20 amp breaker outlets, and that 240 is 30 amp. You can literally power your house off this thing for days. Just amazing. On the tailgate, it has the tailgate work surface. You can measure things here. You can put screws, throw pens, throw your camera for or your phone for YouTube videos when you're working on stuff. You also have C-channel holders, 2 of them, one on each side, for being able to put a piece of wood on here, clamp it down, and work. And remember, with that generator, you can power a skill saw or anything else you want. This also has the step. This pulls out here. You've got a handle there for getting in and out of the box. Really nice and easy, which is great. On either side, you've got a strap holder if you want to tie down longer items. And from the bottom, it actually duals as a bottle cap opener. Now, the other nice thing on this, that power tailgate not only goes down, press the button, and it goes up as well. And then you see there is a tonneau cover here. Keeps all the snow and prying eyes out of the box, which is just great. Let's go up front and check out some of these features. So we're going to open this door. First thing I always like to show is just the capacities of this truck, so you can see what all those capacities are. Then on the driver's door, you do have your memory seating. Power locks, power extendable mirrors, power folding mirrors, and then your power windows. Now this Bang & Olufsen stereo is actually the unleashed version, 18 speaker, sounds amazing. We come inside, beautiful trim, got controls for lights under the mirrors, your power tailgate, your dimmer switches for your lights, those set it and forget it headlights and fog lights, your gas cap switch, cargo lamp, power adjustable pedals, and your emergency brake. It's a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Then you have these super comfortable 10-way heated and cooled front captain's chairs. Let's climb inside. All right, now that we're inside here, we're gonna hit the push button start. It's gonna fire up our huge digital screen, which looks amazing. As you can see, 0 RPMs because we're driving on electric right now, which is really cool. You also do have a speed sign recognition in this truck. So your speed sign, as soon as you go by it, it'll display in here, which is really nice. See the engine fired up as it wants some power as I have my heated seat on. As we come on the steering wheel, you have adaptive intelligent cruise control. So the cruise control will actually slow you down with the vehicle in front of you and you can adjust the distance here. Also the lane departure system with lane centering technology. That's Ford's semi-autonomous driving. It'll actually steer the steering wheel for you using the lines on the road, and you can go around corners and everything with that. Volume controls for your stereo, voice recognition. On this side, controls for that digital display, more phone controls and music controls. Now this leather steering wheel is heated. Feels like a warm cup of coffee first thing in the morning. If you look up top here, you'll see another one of those center channel Bang & Olufsen stereo speakers. Nice place to put things. Speaking of the speakers, you should just see how many. With 18 speakers, you've got ones up in the corner, speaker there, speaker up in the headliner, even speakers in the headrests. Just amazing amount of speakers in here, and it sounds so clear. Now, this great big screen is awesome, 12-inch screen. You see up top, we have controls. This is controls for our generator. So you can actually press this button here and turn the generator on or off very nice and easily. We have a control for our round view camera, so you can see all around the view. We can actually see a whole bunch of different views. Look at this. Front camera, triple camera, box camera. Oh, if we want to install a camera on our trailer behind us, we can. Hitch camera, and then just straight up backup camera. Just amazing. Look at all those different ways. And you've got controls for your park sensors front and back, 4-way flasher controls, traction control, and thanks to the FX4 package, hill descent control. Now, you see this beautiful screen here. It does have a hard base navigation system, which is connected live imaging for traffic and everything else, which is awesome. Got dual climate controls that come up top there. In here, you can program your music and everything else. And the one thing I love with the new Sync 4 is the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. That's all your apps come up on this display. Your podcasts, your audiobooks, even the maps from your phone. If you don't want to use this GPS, you can use your Apple Maps or your Waze or your Google Maps, whatever you like to use, which is great. Another nice feature of this, it does have your zone lighting. So if we look at zone lighting, you can actually see all around the vehicle. We can turn into a flashlight. What? That's so cool, especially when you got some darkness in the winter, that kind of thing. The other thing I just want to point out, we go into our features menu here. We can actually check out the power flow of how the electric motor, battery, and the regular motor are all using. Tells me why it's using the engine right now because it's cold and I've got the heater setting on. We can also go into our generator here. Super cool in the generator. Turn the generator mode on. I got to turn that on for a second. I actually have to go and hit the breaker in the back in order for that to be active right now. It is not set on right now. We've also got these nice little pages on the side with your maps and everything like that, which is great. And then we come down below here. You've got volume controls for your stereo. We have dual climate control, my side, my passenger side. We've got fan controls, our air conditioned heated seats and heated steering wheel. Open this up. You have a wireless charger, USB and USB-C controls. Then we have our 10-speed automatic transmission. We can hit a manual mode and shift up and down using this plus and minus, or we can just get this right out of the way here. You do have a nice spot to put pens, cup holders, and this has the upgraded work surface on this console. That means this flips out, and I got a space I can work from, or I can have a snack or whatever I like to do from there. You can open up this console. You've got an upper and a lower section, and down below more USB and USB-C hookups on each side of here. So this is a breaker switch for all your generator, and then you've got a 20 amp hookup. So you've got 420 amps in the box, 2 in the cab. Just amazing. On this side, trailer brake controller, Pro Trailer Backup Assist that you can back up the trailer just using this dial, and it'll steer the steering wheel for you. Then we have our 4-wheel drive controls, 2 high, 4 low, and 4 automatic, another set it and forget it feature. Has a locking rear differential, and it has drive modes. What are drive modes? If we spin this dial, you're going to see we can go from normal to slippery, deep snow and sand, mud and ruts, and rock crawl. So that's going to change all the 4x4 and the display graphics. And then if we go the other direction, we can go to tow haul mode, eco mode, or my favorite, sport mode. It's going to throw it in all-wheel drive. It's going to give us nice red gauges. It's going to shift hard. We're going to burn a little more fuel, but it's going to be a ton of fun to drive the truck in that mode. Come off to the other side. We've got dual glove boxes, one up top, one on the bottom. Press this button to open the top one. And then if you look up top here, we have an electrochromatic auto-dimming mirror. We've got some map lights here, controls for a sunroof and shade, power shade, and then you have a power sliding back window control. Speaking of shades, you put your sunglasses in here, and then we have garage door openers up on this visor. So that is a tour of this beautiful modified black 2022 Lariat 502A. Thanks a lot for taking a look at this video. Do me a huge favor and click subscribe to the channel. If you'd like to see more of these videos, hit the bell icon. You'll be notified every time I make a video. And if you really like this one, give it a big thumbs up. Thanks, everyone.